If Google Drive says you're unable to access a document, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix so you can get back into your files as quickly as possible. This is especially helpful if the issue is caused by the wrong account, a browser problem, cached data, or even workspace restrictions. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, go to drive.google.com and sign into your Google account. A lot of access issues happen simply because you're signed into the wrong account, so this is always the first thing to check. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you switch to the one that was actually shared the document or folder. If you still can't open the file, check whether the document belongs to a school or work account. In some cases, an administrator may have restricted access to certain documents or blocked external sharing. If that's the case, you may need to ask your admin or the file owner to grant permission. Next, try opening the document in Incognito Mode. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and N on Windows, or Command, Shift, and N on Mac. Incognito Mode helps you test whether a browser extension is causing the problem. If the document opens there, then an extension, like an ad blocker or privacy tool, may be interfering with Google Drive. If Incognito Mode does not fix it, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Start by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, then open Settings. Once the Settings page loads, go to Privacy and Security. From there, click Delete Browsing Data. Make sure you select cached images and files, and if needed, you can also clear cookies and other site data. Then click Delete Data to complete the process. After that, refresh Google Drive and try opening the document again. You should also make sure your browser is up to date. Google Drive works best in the most recent versions of Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, so if your browser is outdated, that can sometimes cause loading or access problems. Once you've done these steps, go back to Google Drive and try the file again. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue right away. If the document still won't open, the problem may be with the file permissions itself, and you may need to request access from the owner. And that's it. Now you know how to troubleshoot Google Drive unable to access documents using the most common and effective fixes. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.